It's a quick video about if you forget the Jenkins password, you can do some things to get back and log in. Now, should I forgot the password? Go to the Jenkins path. This is my Jenkins path. From here, I need to open the config.xml. I will open it in VS Code. Once you open the config.xml, we need to find the password hash here. The password hash nothing should be here. So we need to add the password as a hash by the Bcrypt. So for this step, we can go and find something in the web. In the internet, we can find one Bcrypt generator. So we can set the password. I like to set my password as admin. Can encrypt this one. Okay, this is the hash of that. So this one, I need to confirm one more time. So yeah, it's correct. So copy this one. This one is the admin hash of the Bcrypt. Copy this one. Once you copy it, come here and paste this one here. So Bcrypt, this is the password of our admin. Okay. After that, we need to restart the services of Jenkins. Restart my Jenkins. We can check if it worked or not. What I've done is I added that Bcrypt to my password hash. After that, my username is Pranav. I forgot my password previously, so we created the admin. Try to sign in. Yes, done. It's working now. So the easy step to if you forgot the password, just change it on the computer. XML in the Jenkins path I mentioned. Okay. Thank you.